Greetings and welcome. Today, we will guide you through the rich landscape of file formats accessible within elDoc. elDoc supports a wide array of popular file types for editing and collaboration, eliminating the need for any special licenses. You're free to work with major documents, spreadsheet and presentation file formats. If you find yourself needing to work with text documents, elDoc offers a diverse range of features and supports major document text format. You have the option to open the necessary document in online mode and commence editing, making use of the extensive array of familiar editing features. If your work involves data tables and spreadsheets, rest assured, elDoc has you covered, no additional license required. You can easily make changes to spreadsheets as needed using standard editing features. When dealing with presentation file formats, elDoc offers extensive editing capabilities, allowing you to create presentations tailored to your requirements. Boost your efficiency through a unified digital platform, without the burden of additional license costs for supporting various document file formats. Embark on your elDoc journey with a free trial today.